Peaches. Lulu, come on. All right, taco time. You ready to do this, girl? What do you mean? Come on, we talked about this already. You have to wear the costume. It's for your fans, it's part of the deal. It's gonna make it fun, nobody's gonna make fun of you, I'm telling you. No, it doesn't make you look fat. I told you that already. Summer, come on, summer body. Nobody has a fucking summer body yet, dude. It's barely summer, it's like 3 days ago. You're fine, just wear it, trust me. It's gonna be golden, okay? All right, let's do this. I'm gonna go get your costume. All right, come here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a piece of masking tape on one of these. That way when I throw it, it doesn't come apart. So let's secure this for flight, and then I'm gonna throw it, and you're gonna catch. Got it? So here. This one's going long. You're gonna have to open it after you catch it, okay? All right, let's go. You ready? Okay, you pay attention? All right, we're gonna go big time. You stay here. I'm gonna go down there and I'll holler when I'm ready. You ready, Peaches? Go long, girl.